Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Just Gone Riding, and I'm Justin. Today I have a special presentation for you guys. This is the unboxing video of the Yoshimura Carburetor that I've just recently purchased from V-Bike Japan. So check this out. V-Bike retails a lot of motorcycle parts, OEM parts, and as well as original parts. It just took 3 days for V-Bike to send this to KL, Malaysia via DHL Express. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing of this Yoshimura carburetor. You can see from here, it's being packed nicely in a very neat box. Alright, come, let's remove the bubble wraps. This is the receipt. And this is it, Yoshimura special racing parts. This is the filter adapters. It comes in a beautiful black box. It comes with some of the jettings, I think different sizes jettings, and everything is in Japanese. Even the manual as well, almost manual, everything is in Japanese. This carburetor is called the Yoshimura TMR-MJN. MJN stands for multiple jet nozzles. These are the funnel. I think it's made of aluminium. Threaded so that it threads directly onto the carburetor. Look at this. It's a racing flat slide carburetor. With a 38mm diameter. Look at the high quality build finish on this carburetor. In order to fit the K&N air filters, I've also purchased the filter adapters from Yoshimura as well. There you go. These are the filter adapters specifically for this 38mm carburetor. And on the right side, those are the K&N filters. 55mm diameter, which fits directly onto this. Some free stickers. These are all machined aluminium and requires special time to order. These are the air inlets there, if you can see here. So it just bolts on. If you're gonna use the funnels, it's just a direct bolt on. There, it's direct threaded. If you're gonna use the filter adapter, you got to remove the ring here to replace it with this. What a beautiful carburetor. The body is almost dark grey with a top red cover. Let's see if the K&N filter fits this. So this is a K&N filter. Yep. Just nice, 55 mm. There you go. So it definitely looks cool with the K&N filter. Alright, so this is the Yoshimura TMR-MJN38 carburetor. Racing flat slides. This will go on to my 1981 Suzuki GSX 1100. That will be in the next video. That's the upcoming project that I'll be carrying out. So thanks for watching, guys.